How is it going, guys? It is about that time of the month where we need to check out some of the new products that have been added to the website. Now, before we get into things, I do have a giveaway winner to announce from last month's video for this Speed Strut Tower bar. Congratulations to Kendra Jackson. You've been randomly selected to win this. So go ahead and email into our sales team and we'll give you instructions on how to verify your account so that we can get this shipped out to you. We're gonna start off with this big guy. This is actually only part of it, but what we've got here is the brand new R1 Spec Exhaust from Remark. I think I'm one of the only people that actually has one of these to test. So I am gonna be installing this on my car to get you guys some exhaust clips, but that's gonna be later on. We are going to talk about some specs here. We've got a 2.5-inch piping all the way through that ends in this muffler, and then a massive 4.5-inch tip. There are two different versions. There's a stainless steel version and then a titanium version, which I have here. The stainless steel version weighs in at 18.2 pounds and the titanium version weighs 14.6 pounds. To put that into perspective, stock exhaust weighs, I think, 38 pounds. So you're gonna have up to a 24-pound weight savings there. And they're relatively inexpensive. The stainless steel version can be had for 500 bucks and the titanium version is 700 bucks. So again, if you guys are interested in how this sounds, be sure to subscribe so that once we get this installed on my car, you guys won't miss out on that exhaust clip video. If you happen to be on our website right now, chances are you're gonna see a ton of Braum products that we just recently added, which are mainly their seats. Seats are a big part of what connects you to the car aside from the steering wheel and your shifter. And they also play a huge role in how your interior looks and feels. And Braum has a ton of different seats available that range in different materials, different colors, stitching patterns, and just overall designs. They've got reclinable seats, they've got bucket seats, and they've got sort of a hybrid bucket slash reclinable seat that has really high bolstering, but you're still able to recline the back. We've also added some of their brackets. There's mounting brackets for the seats, just in case you need those, as well as their harnesses and harness bar to kind of complete the package and allow you to change up the interior, whether you are just looking for a more sporty look and feel, or if you really need to be held in for when you're out on the track. While we're inside the car, we might as well check out a few new accessories that we've got from Scosche. These are their Magic Mount phone mounts. These two are wireless charging units. You've got a suction cup option and a double-sided tape one, so you can mount this one on your dash or this one on your windshield. Phone slides in here, super easy, and can charge while you're driving. So whether you're using it for navigation or hands-free communication, this is a perfect setup if you drive your car long ways and long-distance trips. The other three, well, this one actually isn't new, but this is a vent mount. You slide this into one of the fins of your vents and it has this articulating arm that you can manipulate to get the phone out of the way of the vent so it doesn't overheat or block the airflow to where you want it to go. These are all magnetic, so your phone just pops on there and you can easily take it off when you need. This next one is actually pretty nifty. You might not actually use this in an FRS BRZ or 8.6 because this goes into your cup holder and then it expands by twisting this. The bottom portion expands and locks into the cup holder. And again, it has this rotating head here where you put your phone on. I might actually toss this into my truck. And then the last one is this suction cup one that has an extending arm. You can also change the angle here. This can set wherever on your dash. And like I said, it extends in or out, and then the head rotates to the orientation that you want. Like I said, I do run these in my car. That's why I have a plate on the back of my phone. I absolutely love them. Really easy to use and convenient. So if you guys are looking for a way to easily mount your phone in your car, I highly recommend you check out these new options. Next up, we're gonna take a look at some new Wedssport wheels. We have their SA-25R in an 18 by 9.5 plus 45 fitment. This is a thin 10-spoke design. We've got 3 different finishes. We have their Weds Black Clear, their Platinum Silver Black, and their Blue Light Chrome. These weigh in at just over 19.5 pounds, so not bad for an 8 to 18-inch wheel. I actually need some suggestions from you guys for wheels for the BRZ. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below so that we can get those ugly stock wheels off of the Sunday slider. Last up for the FRS BRZ and 8.6, we have some products from Tomioka Racing. We've got their Super Slopes, which are basically just ramps to help assist you in jacking up your car if you have a low car. We have an oil cooler kit as well as a pulley kit, lightweight pulley kit. And then we have their lightweight batteries as well if you're looking to save some weight. Moving over to the Supra, we have a few items. The first one being from Mishimoto. It's their Performance Aluminum Heat Exchanger. If you're looking to extract more and more power out of that engine, you're gonna wanna keep those temperatures down, and upgrading the heat exchanger is a great way to do so, so that you make sure that your air intake temps are as low as possible. OLM has also added to the mix with a few products, one being their multi-function rear fog lights. I've got 2 different versions. The only difference I think is one has an F1 blinking function and one does not. But basically, these red bars are going to be your parking light. This middle section is going to act as your brake and reverse light. They also have their MT style carbon fiber front lip that really adds an aggressive appearance to the front end of the car. So if you're looking to add some carbon fiber to your Supra, it's certainly an option to consider. Last but not least, we have the Borla 3-inch Attack catback exhaust with carbon fiber tips. Exhausts are obviously one of the top modifications people make to any car, really. So if you are looking for a louder, more aggressive exhaust tone and you enjoy those carbon fiber accents, this is another option for you. And that basically wraps it up, guys. If you guys are interested in anything that I went through, the links are down in the description. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give me suggestions on what wheels should go on the BRZ. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.